That's what I'm watching. An old movie. What is the name? Holiday Affair. I think that's Robert Mitchum. I don't know about her. The only ladies movie star I know is Doris Day, Grace Kelly, Lauren Bacall. And it's known in the movie too. Hey. Ava Gardner. Okay, let's see. It's snowing outside too. I had to capture this beautiful scene. Hey, that's the RV sitting idle for Arizona bound. Things looking good. I hope he gets home. And we head toward Arizona. Okay. Wow. It is beautiful. You're not gonna believe it. Okay, let's see. Hey, stop it snowing over there.
Mother, will you please finish your dinner?
Oh, all right.
And don't get moody on me. Holidays, she always gets moody.
Well, one remembers more on holidays.
Oh, I know.
The little things.
Everybody gets moody
I think I'll start you off.
Like Mr.
on a
Mason's
holiday.
bedside. Forgive me, Mr. Mason, but it is a bit loud.
Show you outside.
35 years. Lost me, heckle me. You hide my things and pretend I've lost them. Just so I have to depend on you. You spent 35 years trying to make me admit that I couldn't possibly get along without you. And you're right. I couldn't. What's more, I wouldn't want to. Every one of those years was good. Even the bad ones, because you were with me. This has been the happiest Christmas of my life.
Let's see on this side.
Family of my own.
It's a beautiful view out there.
I'll never have to miss it again. From now on, I'll have a wife, son, and if Connie will let me share them, a mother-in-law and a father-in-law. Connie, I've loved you for a long time. And I have waited for you a long time. But it was worth it. Steve, we wish you luck in your new job in California, and we're very happy that you're not alone. And giving me a great dinner.
Back to the movie. Got to listen to this.
We've had dessert, of course, except thank you and goodbye. That's all I was going to say. Well, you asked for it.
Say it.
Connie, I think Carl is just about one of the nicest fellows I could ever hope to meet. But I think you ought to marry me.
Father, we better go to the kitchen.
Uh-oh.
Bring the coffee and dessert.
I don't think anybody wants it just now. Maybe you think it's wrong of me to speak this way in front of Timmy, but I don't see how it can do a boy any harm to know that two men like his mother. Maybe it's bad taste to speak in front of Carl, but would it be better if I sneaked around and tried to get Connie behind the kitchen stove? I don't think so. If you think this is biting the hand that's fed me, then look at my problem. I've walked out of Connie's life a couple of times now, and
Hey, what she's doing? Get out of here.
Yeah.
Look. Wow. I had to capture. You can.
Hey.
Beautiful views, ain't it?
Yeah, and she got a shovel in.
Oh, yeah. Got to get the snowblower out now. Look really like a Christmas. Hey, my little birdie house. Ooh-wee.
I see. So you got two
It's snowing in Indiana. It's so pretty.
For Christmas. Steve got it for me. He's my friend, and he's real poor, and he hasn't got a job. He shouldn't have spent his money, and I want to give it back to him. And the lady said that you could help me.
No. Here, take it easy. It isn't going to be as bad as that. Now, come on, stop crying. Here now. Now, Jimmy, suppose you tell me the story from the beginning.
Well, it all started with my mother. Her name is Mrs. Ennis.
It always starts from the mother.
Fisher and Lewis. She's a comparison shopper, and she bought a train here.
Yes. Yes, officer. He's been missing most of the afternoon.
We've never done anything like this before. I just don't understand.